Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can make PayPal money on Temu. Now this is a brand new method, so make sure you watch right until the end to make sure you fully understand how to get this done. So the first step is to just open the app and head into this U section, which you can find in the bottom middle. And then you just want to make sure you've created an account or logged in. So if you don't have an account, just make one. But if you do have one, just go ahead and log in and then scroll down until you see earn credits and free gifts. Now, if you can't see this, you just want to click settings and make sure your country and region is set to United States. If it's not, this will not work, so make sure you do that first if you haven't already. From there, you can back out and you want to make sure your currency is on USD too, and then you can back out from there, and now we can finally get to the earn credits and free gifts section. Now, here they give us quite a few options on how we can earn credits and free gifts. However, since we want to make PayPal money, what we want to do is go down to redeem cash, as you can see, up to $200 on PayPal. So click on this, and here's where we can actually start making money on PayPal. So the way this game works is you have to refer friends to spin this wheel, and then for every friend you refer, you get to spin this wheel, and you'll get either 5, 4, 2, or 1 coins, which can go towards redeeming PayPal credits. So if you scroll down a bit here, as you can see, once you get to 150 coins, you get to claim $1 PayPal credit. I know it's not much to start with, but this does start rapidly increasing. So once you've done that, you progress on to level 2, where you can then go on to earn $2 credit. And then once you do that, you can do it again to earn $3 credit. And then once you do that, you can go on to earn $4 credit. So this might seem really hard to get at first. However, I'm going to show you a couple ways on how you can get those coins really easily. So to start with, you first want to click this refer friends button, and here we have the option to refer friends via social media. So there's a few different options here we can choose. However, if we don't want to do that, we can either copy our link, which is underneath that, or we can just copy our code, which is next to that, and then we can send that to whoever we want. So the first step I'd say is to send this to every single friend and family member that you actually have. Because if you have a lot of friends or a big family, you can send it to a ton of people, and you can progress quite a lot in getting those coins and being on your way to earn those credits. Now, you might have done that already and been struggling to get any more. So the next thing I would suggest is to click refer friends and copy your link or code. And then what I would suggest is to go into your notes on your phone and just type out a little thing which says how to get free items on Temu. And you can basically just put your code in and give the steps on how to sign up to Temu with your code. And then you basically just want to put that on something like TikTok or your Instagram story, somewhere where a lot of people will see it and hopefully sign up using your code and make you a bit of money. So once you have successfully done that and you've got enough coins, you can simply click this redeem button here. As you can see, I don't have enough coins yet, but if I did, you could redeem that, and that money will be sent straight into your PayPal balance. And then from there, you can do whatever you want with that money. It's basically free cash. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to make a bit of PayPal money from Temu. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out. It helps me out a lot, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.